Hey everybody, welcome to Scott's PC. If this is the first time you've been here, it's just me talking about my first PC build ever, upgrading it, tweaking it, doing all sorts of things to it, so consider subscribing. Well, for the past month, I've been on a Noctua fan quest, and I think I've finally come to journey's end. As you can see there, I got 7 total Noctua fans. My latest thing was that the NH-D15 Noctua cooler, that thing right there, it came with 2 fans, and I wanted to add a 3rd fan, but I didn't have any brackets for it. So I emailed Noctua. They're going to send me some, but it's going to take a month because they're from Austria. Until I received those, I jerry-rigged up a couple paper clips. And as you can see, I now have it as a pull fan on the left side of the heatsink. Again, there's a janky setup, but hey, it works. And from a distance, hey, it doesn't look too bad. Before I added that fan, a couple nights ago, I did run the Prime 95 torture test, and the hottest temps I saw with just these 2 fans, and of course all the other case fans, was 74.13 degrees Celsius. And then last night with the 3rd fan on there, I ran Prime again, and it only got up to 72.5. Ambient temperature is basically the same. So for me, I feel as I do have some extra cooling performance with that 3rd fan on the heatsink. So just another quick video updating you on my Ryzen 2700X build, my very first build. Hey, make sure to subscribe if you want to see future videos of me upgrading. Well, that's it. Just a quick update. I wanted to show you guys I added that 3rd fan with some paper clips. Thanks for watching, folks, and I will see you in the next video.